Today we are going to assemble a very simple touch on-off switch using IRFC 44N channel MOSFET. To assemble this touch switch, you only need three simple components: a MOSFET and two 1N4007 rectifier diodes. That's it. No complicated circuitry, no bulky parts. With these three components, you can easily put together a compact and reliable touch switch in very little time. In this circuit, I have used a simple 3mm LED with a 1K resistor. The LED is white color. If you prefer, you can also replace it with a 12-volt LED bulb, which will work just as well depending on your requirements. The circuit is designed to work with a 12-volt supply, and I am powering it using my battery eliminator. The working principle is simple. A MOSFET gate is insulated by a thin oxide layer. Because of this insulation, the gate draws almost no current. It only behaves like a capacitor. This makes the MOSFET very sensitive to small charges, including the tiny voltage your body can provide when you touch the gate. As you can see, when I touch the negative terminal of the diode, the LED turns off, and when I touch the positive terminal, the LED switches on. Moreover, instead of just an LED, you can also connect a relay to the circuit, allowing you to control a 230 volt load such as a light or small appliances, etc. If you believe that this circuit was helpful, then please click like button and also share this to your friends. If you have any doubt related to this circuit, then please comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.